Hi everyone and welcome to 4J Media Live. I'm your host Josh Warner for this April 3rd edition where today we're going to talk about how to get started with MAMP. So let's head over to our favorite web browser, and in my case I'm using Firefox. So let's go there now. And I'm at google.com, so type in google.com and I'm going to type in MAMP inside of Google. And the first thing I want to do is I want to go to Wikipedia to kind of give you a summary of what MAMP exactly is. So let's right click on Wikipedia here, open in a new tab, and let's head over there. So basically what MAMP is it's a stack or a combination of software that's used to build websites. So for example, the web server it uses is Apache or NGINX. Okay? The database management system is MySQL. The web development software is PHP, Perl, or Python. Okay, so these are all used for web development. And the reason why you want to do this over any other ones is because what you can do is you can build websites offline. So you don't need an internet connection, you don't even need a server. You can build everything offline and it will work the same exact way as if you were online. So what that does is it gives you creative freedom to build websites wherever you want. So if you wanted to work remotely, that's why people work remotely, is because they have the ability to build websites anywhere they are in the world. So MAMP is a wonderful program and I've been using it for years, probably about 5 years now. And when I started, I was learning on a Mac. So I used MAMP because MAMP is really directed towards the Mac OS, but they've also built it so it can work with Windows. So it works on Windows and Mac OS. And I also use Windows. So it just made sense for me personally to transition over to MAMP on Windows as well. So it's a really great package. It's a really great stack. And it does everything that you need to be able to troubleshoot and test and debug your websites. Okay? I use this on a daily basis at my job. So let me close out this tab and then let's go back here and let's click on MAMP and MAMP Pro and take a look at what the differences are between the free version and the paid version. So MAMP is a free local server environment that can be installed under Mac OS and Windows. MAMP provides you with all the tools you need to run WordPress on your desktop PC. So if you're a WordPress developer and you want to run WordPress offline and build it and test it and tweak it to where you want it and then launch, you can do that. Because you can create a database with MySQL and you can program with PHP. So it can run WordPress and anything else that you need right there on the spot. So it's a really cool thing. Now, MAMP Pro is a professional front end for the classic local server environment. With MAMP Pro, you can create a separate host for each of your web projects. So basically what it does is it creates a separate directory for each project that you're doing. So let's learn a little more about MAMP Pro here. So MAMP Pro, publish WordPress host to your live hosting server. So you can publish your WordPress host. Simply enter your live server credentials into the new remote tab and select database transfer. Along with a root directory, your project can go live with just one click. So basically what you can do is works as an FTP. So you can set up all your credentials and then push the site live to your domain. You can import WordPress sites from live servers. You can migrate WordPress sites from one server to another. Easier WordPress installation when creating a host. Snapshots. You can save any state for each of your hosts. The root directory, including the associated database, is saved. Restore the state of a host at any time. An emergency using snapshots saves you hours or even days of work. So what it will do is it will save a snapshot of your site, including the associated database. So it basically backs up everything. Tidy up your host list. Create folders and group hosts. This makes it easy to keep track of all your projects. In addition, hosts are no longer deleted immediately, but first moved to the trash. This allows you to recover a host if needed. So it gives you more organizational tools as well. Okay, so MAMP Pro is very good. Unlimited number of hosts. Okay, multi-PHP, MAMP Cloud, mobile testing, built-in text editor, install extras, LAN access, dynamic DNS, and much more down here. I don't have MAMP Pro, I actually have MAMP, which I'm going to show you right now. So let me click on my little icon here and I'll open that up. So if you download MAMP, this is what it will look like if you just get the free version. And basically what it's going to do is, here is it's going to have an Apache server button. If it's green lit, then that means it's on. And then MySQL server. If that's green lit, then it's on. Right now it's not running, but you can open your start page here and you'll get a localhost / MAMP, okay? And this is the splash page or the start page. And if you want to go to my PHP, let's go there once, just check it out. This is where you can set up, oh, it's not working because I don't have it on. All right. That's where you'd go to set up, you know, your databases and whatnot. I can go to my website. This is one project that I was working on. Get started with HTML5. If you have more sites, it will pop up each one here. So that's MAMP in a nutshell. And like I say, MAMP is a great program. It really gives you the ability to work from anywhere. And so if you have that flexibility, I encourage you to do that because it just makes it really easy to be able to build websites anywhere in the world. And all you need is a computer. You don't need an internet connection. You don't need anything else. You just need a computer and you can build anywhere in the world. You can build anywhere, you know. When I started training for programming or learning web development again, I was working on the beach with an iPad. So it's totally doable to be able to do that anywhere you want to do it with no problem. So with that being said, that's all I have for today. But again, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow where we're going to be talking about GitHub. Okay, and I'm excited about that because it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'll see you tomorrow.